When the hard drive disk is full, the system automatically sends a self-generated email to the user. Let's see how to correctly replace the hard drive in a conventional DVR. After turning the power off on your DVR, use a screwdriver to remove the screws located on the two sides of the unit. Slide the cover off. Disconnect the power and SATA wires. Unscrew the hard drive from the DVR unit. Take out the hard drive. Now, using the previously removed screws, insert the new hard drive into your DVR. Replug the SATA wires and power cable into the hard drive. Once the new hard drive has been installed, replace the cover on the DVR and refasten the screws. The entire process of switching out an old hard drive for a new version should take approximately 6 to 7 minutes. Now, let's take a look at the process for switching out a hard drive with Hikvision's Easy Flip Down panel. Press the two corner buttons located on the sides of the Easy Flip Down panel design and open the front panel. Using the handle, simply pull the hard drive out of the DVR and set it aside. Slide your new hard drive into the DVR. Close the front panel. This entire process should take less than 1 minute. Finally, let's take one more look at the main differences between these two procedures. Compare this new Easy Flip Down panel procedure to conventional DVRs that require the time-consuming replacement of at least 20 screws, whereas before you would need to spend upwards of 10 minutes dealing with screw removal and replacement. Hikvision's Easy Flip Down panel DVRs now take less than a minute to completely replace the hard drive, saving both time and frustration. Hikvision offers several DVR models utilizing our revolutionary Easy Flip Down panel design for simple and efficient hard drive replacement. Please contact your local Hikvision representative or visit www.hikvision.com for more details.